Hello there and welcome back. Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Today we're going to talk about 5 reasons to hire a coach for your business success. So the first reason, number 1, clarity. Sometimes we wake up and we say, hey, I have a goal. I know where I want to go, but we're not exactly sure what that goal is. And as we travel from point A to point B, if we're not too sure, because it's a zigzag motion to get from A to B, sometimes A becomes B and becomes C, and now we don't know where we're going anymore. Clarity ensures that whenever things come your way, and they will, you'll be able to look at them and says, does this align with the goals that I want? If it does, you keep it. If another thing comes and it's not aligned, well then you take it out. See how much faster you'll be able to generate momentum when you have clarity. Number 2, strategize your actions. That's the number 2 reason to hire a coach for your business success. Does it ever happen to you that sometimes you have your to-do list and next thing you know you're going right, left, you're putting out fires, and at the end of the day you're exhausted and yet you have not done what you wanted to do? The main reason is you did not strategize your actions. I have 3 screens. This screen here is only my calendar and everything is in block of activities. And so as I strategize my action, I can know what to do next, therefore gain traction, and from that traction, gain momentum. So if you ever feel lost, that you're saying, what do I need to do next? You did not strategize your action, and a coach will help you to do so. Number 3 is to optimize your environment. Well, right off the bat, if I look at my desk, right here, today is really clean. Sometimes it's not. And when it's not, I am not as efficient as I could be. That's just one part that a coach can help you with. But another part is when you optimize your environment is having someone that keeps you accountable for the decisions that you make, enables you to have an environment that's going to uplift you to make it happen, rather than, hey, we all fall short of that. Sometimes people that are nagging you, hey, you didn't do this, you didn't do that. This is not an optimized environment for us to create success. And a coach, especially one-on-one, you can have group coaching as well, helps you to make sure that the environment that you're in is one that is conducive for you to actually perform at your highest level. Talking about performing at your highest level, the 4th reason is that you'll need to upgrade your skills. Some of the skills that you have are fantastic, but we cannot do everything. Therefore, there's things that will need to be delegated to others, that's for sure, but some things will need to be better. For example, if your enrollment skills to have people come into your business can be double, meaning instead of having a closing of 10%, you go 20%, 30%, you just doubled or tripled your income. Upgrading your skills, and the right skills are the ones going to help you to get more traction, and that's what a coach can help you do. Number 5 is, well, before I say it, ever happened that sometimes you're on a call with someone and it does not go the way that you want, or you're supposed to call someone that's very important and you feel maybe uneasy doing so? Your psychology, because that's the 5th one, upgrading your psychology, enable you to have the mindset to snap out of situations that are hindering your success. But you need to identify them, and that's why having a coach helps us to do so. Why? You and I only see forward, but what about the side or the back? We don't see this. Having someone else to help us see those blind spots, those hidden portions of our lives, will enable us to not only identify them, but to deal with them, either to delegate, to master, or to eliminate. Those are the 5 reasons why having a coach will enable you to actually maximize your business success ASAP. If now is the time for you to find out if all of those 5s are okay in your life, how about we get together on a call? And through proprietary questions that I have, I'll help you to identify each of these sections and point you in the direction that you need to emphasize. And you'll even have a plan of action after our call. No charge on this because you're a faithful subscriber of my video. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you can be notified every time a new video comes out, and you can actually share it with others and give it a thumbs up so that way more people can find out about this. It's so important to hire a coach for your business success. Until you do, it's going to work, but you want to fast track your success, let's get together. I'm so looking forward to it and wishing you all the best in all that you do, and until next time, make it a wonderful day. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Have a good one.